Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Harlee knot with two E's at the end. So if this is a shout out for anyone with a name that's a unique spelling, we're picking Harlee today. H-A-R-L-E-E. If you have a unique name, if you have a name that's spelled a little differently, mention it and I'll get to the drawing board and I'll come up with something for you. So here we go. This is the left side. It's at the belt line. We're using one tie today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in a fold in there. Doesn't matter what it is. We're going to come underneath the tie like this. And we're going to come down like this. Okay, we're going to tighten that up. Cinch it up to your neck there. Bring this through this right here. We're going to leave this a little bit loose like that, and then I'm going to, using the edge of this right here, it's going to be easy to just fold it down like that and then come around like so. So you have this. And I'm just going to come down because I want to keep those three layers there. Okay, so it's kind of a big, kind of a loose knot right now. So let's kind of tighten it up. Let's tighten it up with a wreath on the bottom. Kind of make it look a little, frame it a little bit with that. So we have this. Do another wreath. Back around here. There you have that. So I'm just going to put the color down. There you have it. So again, if you want to see the whole picture, if you want to see the picture of this knot, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, and you'll see the picture there and the whole list of knots that I've created. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. I'll put the tie clip on it. We'll see you in the next video. And again, give me knot name ideas. If you've created a knot, let me know about it. I'd love to wear it and tag you in it. And again, I'm always looking for names, particularly if you have a name that's spelled uniquely or you have a nickname that you think would be a good knot name. Let me know and I'll see what I can do for you. So again, peace and God bless.